How to fix Windows error 0xc00000e9. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows error 0xc00000e9. 1. Disconnect all external devices. 2. For advanced users only, try checking the compatibility of your hardware. 3. Set the hard drive as the primary boot device under BIOS settings. Also, try changing the boot order. And, update the volume boot code to use boot. 4. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Running a disk check via chkdsk/f/r command, as admin. 6. For advanced users only, try fixing the master boot record, MBR, using Windows PE. Hint, Google bootable Windows PE ISO. 7. Reboot the computer, then boot into safe mode. 8. Perform a Windows startup. Repair. 9. Scan the PC for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 10. Test the hard drives. Further, check for component or hardware failures. 11. Back up your personal data, then perform a system restore. Plan B, perform. A clean install of Windows.